There's a white powder that costs less than $1. You can find it in almost any hardware store. You put it on a bathtub stain that has been there for many years. Add warm water and leave it for a while. When you come back, the stain is completely gone. Not lighter, not faded, completely gone. Old yellow stains from hard water disappear. Rust marks from dripping taps vanish. Hard white calcium buildup is removed easily. The bathtub looks clean, white, and new again, like the day it was first installed, smooth, bright, and untouched. This powder has been around since 1882. It was never banned or made illegal. People simply stopped talking about it. Instead, stores are full of expensive cleaning sprays. These products promise amazing results, but they do not fully solve the problem. Why does this happen? Because a product that works once cannot make repeat money, and companies depend on repeat customers. The story begins in Sweden many years ago. A chemist named Carl Wilhelm Scheele made a discovery. He worked in a small lab with very limited resources. One day, he boiled plant leaves in his lab. White crystals formed at the bottom. This was a powerful cleaning substance. He discovered something important, a chemical that removes stains and minerals easily. It was later called oxalic acid, but people ignored his work at that time. His discovery was forgotten for many years. Even after his death, it stayed hidden. Years later, in America, something interesting happened. A chemist named George William Hoffman noticed something strange. He was cooking rhubarb in an old dirty pot. After cooking, the pot became shiny and clean. Stains that stayed for years disappeared. He knew something powerful was inside. He studied it carefully and found the same chemical. It was oxalic acid again, the same substance discovered years earlier. He created a cleaning powder using this chemical. Then he started selling it to people. It quickly became popular across the country. He named it Barkeeper's Friend. It spread from small shops to big cities. People loved how well it worked. Even today, the formula is the same. Nothing has changed over the years because it already worked perfectly. Now here is the important science. When this powder touches rust, a reaction happens. It breaks the rust at a chemical level. Rust is made of iron compounds. The powder turns it into something water can remove. Then it washes away completely. So the stain is not hidden. It is not pushed around the surface. It is fully removed from the material. Most cleaning sprays work differently. They clean only the surface layer. They do not remove deep stains. They use soap-like chemicals called surfactants. These help lift dirt for a short time, but the stains return again later. Hard water stains are very strong. They stick to surfaces like porcelain and metal. Scrubbing alone cannot remove them. Only a chemical reaction can break them, and this powder does exactly that. That is why it works so well. This is why one cheap powder is enough, while many expensive products fail again and again. The difference is, in the chemistry, most people spend money every year on cleaners, but the stains never fully go away, so they keep buying more products. Over time, this becomes expensive. Some people even pay for repairs or replacements, all because they did not know this solution. Professional cleaners already know this secret. Hotels and workers use this powder regularly. They trust it because it works every time. They even buy it in large quantities because nothing else gives the same results. It saves both time and money, but most homeowners do not know about it. They rely on products advertised on shelves, and those products are designed for repeat use. Here is how you can use it at home. Buy oxalic acid powder from a hardware store. It is cheap and easy to find. Always wear gloves and safety glasses. Because it is a strong chemical, safety is very important here. Mix 2 tablespoons in warm water. Stir until it fully dissolves. Make sure the area is well ventilated. Apply the solution to the stains. Leave it for 10 to 20 minutes. Do not scrub during this time. Let the chemical do the work. It breaks the stains by itself. No force is needed from you. After that, rinse with clean water. You will see the difference clearly. The stains will be gone completely. If stains are very strong, repeat again. Use a slightly stronger mixture if needed. Usually 2 tries are enough. Always follow safety rules carefully. Do not mix it with bleach or other cleaners. Keep it away from children and pets. Store it properly after use. Use it responsibly every time. It is powerful but must be handled carefully. This powder was never removed because it failed. It was forgotten because it worked too well. It does not create repeat sales for companies. A product that solves the problem once is not profitable, so it slowly disappeared from attention. But it was always there. Still cheap and still effective. Still working like it did long ago. Nothing about it has changed. Now, you know something important. Something most people still do not know. A simple solution that was hidden in plain sight. What makes this even more interesting is how simple the process really is. You do not need expensive tools or special equipment to get results. Everything works with just water, time, and basic safety steps. The power is in the chemistry, not in effort. That is why it feels almost unbelievable when you first try it. Think about how many times you have scrubbed a stain without success. You used brushes, sponges, and different products again and again. Each time, the stain looked a little better but never fully disappeared. That is because you are fighting a chemical problem with physical effort, and physical effort alone cannot break those bonds. This powder changes that completely by targeting the root cause. It reacts directly with minerals like calcium, iron, and magnesium. These are the main reasons behind hard water stains and rust marks. Once the reaction starts, the stain begins to break apart. Then it simply washes away with water. Another important benefit is how gentle it is on surfaces when used correctly. It removes stains without damaging porcelain, enamel, or stainless steel. This means you're restoring the original surface, not wearing it down. Many harsh cleaners slowly damage surfaces over time. This one works without causing that kind of harm. You can also use this powder in other places around your home. It works on sinks, tiles, metal fixtures, and even some outdoor surfaces. Anywhere you see mineral buildup or rust, it can help. That is why professionals use it in many different industries. It is not limited to just bathrooms. For example, woodworkers use it to remove dark water stains from wood. It helps restore the natural color of the material. Boat cleaners use it to clean fiberglass surfaces exposed to salt and minerals. Even in industrial settings, it is used for heavy-duty cleaning tasks. The same simple powder works across all these situations. The biggest difference is knowledge, not availability. The product is still on store shelves, just like it always was, but most people walk past it without noticing. They go to the brightly colored cleaning aisle instead, and that is exactly what the system encourages. Once you understand this, your buying habits can change completely. You stop chasing new products that promise quick fixes. Instead, you look for solutions that actually solve the problem. This saves money, time, and effort over the long term. It is a smarter way to approach everyday cleaning. It also teaches an important lesson beyond cleaning. Not every expensive product is better than a simple one. Sometimes older solutions are more effective than modern alternatives, especially when those solutions are based on strong scientific principles. Simplicity often hides real power. If you apply this mindset in other areas, you will notice similar patterns. Many industries rely on repeat purchases to grow their profits. They design products that need to be used again and again, but truly effective solutions often reduce the need for constant buying, and that is why they are not always promoted. In the end, the choice is yours. You can continue using products that offer temporary results, or you can switch to something that solves the issue more permanently. Both options are available to you right now. The difference is simply what you know. Now you have the knowledge that most people never hear about. You understand why certain products dominate the market, and you know there's a better, simpler alternative. This puts you in control of your decisions. Use this information wisely and safely. Always follow proper instructions and precautions. Respect the strength of the chemical and handle it carefully. When used correctly, it can save you time, effort, and money. And remember, the most powerful solutions are not always the loudest ones. Sometimes they sit quietly on a shelf, unnoticed, waiting for someone to recognize their value, waiting for someone like you to finally use them. Now think about how many times you replaced a product because it stopped working. In reality, it never solved the problem in the first place. It only made the surface look clean for a short time. Then the stains came back, sometimes even worse than before. This creates a cycle where you keep buying again and again. This cycle is what many companies depend on to make money. The more often you need a product, the more you will spend over time. That is why quick fix solutions are everywhere. They are designed to be easy, fast, and temporary, but not truly permanent. When you switch to something that actually removes the cause, everything changes. You do the job once and the results last much longer. You're no longer stuck in the same routine every week. Cleaning becomes easier and less stressful. It feels like you finally solved the problem. Another thing you will notice is how much effort you save. There's no need for heavy scrubbing or repeated applications. The chemical reaction does most of the work for you. You simply apply it, wait, and rinse. That is all it takes in most cases. This also reduces physical strain, especially for older people. Scrubbing hard surfaces can be tiring and even harmful over time. Using a smarter method protects your energy and your health. It is a better approach in every way. You may also start questioning other products in your home. How many of them truly solve problems and how many just manage them? This kind of thinking can help you make better choices. You become more aware as a consumer. In many cases, simple and old solutions are still the best. They were created when effectiveness mattered more than marketing. They were built to work, not just to sell. And that is why they still perform so well today. It is also important to understand that not everything hidden is dangerous. Sometimes useful knowledge is simply forgotten over time, or replaced by newer trends and advertising. But that does not mean it lost its value. When you bring back this kind of knowledge, you gain an advantage. You stop wasting money on things that do not deliver results. You focus on what actually works. This makes your life simpler and more efficient. At the same time, always use common sense and safety. Strong solutions require careful handling. Read instructions, use protection, and avoid mixing chemicals. Safety should always come first. If you share this information with others, you help them as well. Many people are still struggling with the same problems. They just do not know there is a better way. A simple tip can save them a lot of effort and money. Knowledge like this spreads slowly but makes a big impact. One person learns, then shares with another. Over time, more people start using smarter solutions, and the cycle of unnecessary spending begins to break. In the end, this is not just about cleaning a bathtub. It is about understanding how problems are solved. It is about choosing effectiveness over marketing. And it is about taking control of your everyday decisions. The solution was always there, sitting quietly on a shelf. It did not change, it did not disappear, and it did not stop working. People just stopped noticing it. Now you see it clearly, and once you see it, it is hard to ignore.